all know the struggle of getting ready for work every morning, but don't worry. We've curated simple yet chic hairstyles that are quick to do and will make your mornings easier to tackle. A classic curl can never go out of fashion and can take any look from drab to fab. To achieve a tight curl that frames your face, section out a thin strand of hair and twist it away from you. Take a curling tong and tightly wind the strand around the barrel, leaving no gap in between. Hold it in place for 10 seconds before releasing. This spiral curl will add texture to any hairstyle and can be achieved in less than 2 minutes. If you're looking for a quick fix for greasy hair, this cleverly styled ponytail is the answer to all your prayers. Start by dividing the front of your hair into 2 sections, one on the right and one on the left, and tie the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Twist the loose section towards the back and make a small opening next to the ponytail before passing this section through it. Place it around the first rubber band and secure it under the ponytail with another elastic. Follow the same steps on the other side and you'll have a chic, hassle-free ready-for-work hairdo. Short hair can cut down your styling time by half, but if you fall into the lazy category, this stylish work-to-play bun will spice up your routine. Section the top of your hair and pin it into a poof. Now divide your hair into 2 parts and twist the upper section into a bun before securing it with the poof. Take the lower section and pin it to the bun. Now secure the remaining hair around the bun to achieve a polished look. Set the look with some hairspray and feel free to add bobby pins if required. This easy bun will take you from day to night with ease, saving you all the time and fuss. When it comes to weddings, you can never go wrong with a chic romantic bun that looks effortless and is just as easy to create. Start by parting your hair into 2 and begin twisting the section on the right. Continue taking sections of hair from the front and keep adding it to your twist. Once you've reached the back, take a clip and secure the twist tightly. Repeat the same steps on the left, and once you reach the back, release the clip and tie the loose hair into a ponytail. Make an opening right above the ponytail and tuck it inwards. You can repeat this process depending on the length of your hair. Once all the hair is tucked in, use U-pins to secure it in place. If you're a fan of high updos, this elegant bun takes only a little time and less effort and will add a sophisticated touch to any outfit. Mornings can be tough, but these easy hairstyles show you that lack of time doesn't necessarily have to mean lack of style. We hope you try these hairstyles the next time you're running late. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.